What's up guys, welcome to our channel. It's me Robins. In this video we are going to discuss about the very important topic, hair. Hair which is healthy is the best part of our body that makes us look attractive and handsome. So we will talk about the tips to take care of your healthy hair in detail, which is very important for you guys. Before getting into the video, make sure that you subscribe the channel and watch this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get some into it. Tip number 1, a balanced diet. To have good hair and a healthy scalp, it is very important to have a healthy diet. The food that you consume should be balanced, meaning that it should have all the vital nutrients that are important for the health of your scalp. Green leafy vegetables, beans, nuts, eggs, fish, and chickens are the good source of protein that assists your health growth. Try food rich in antioxidants cause they boost your metabolism and improves blood circulation that is necessary for a healthy scalp. Tip number 2, massaging your scalp. Massaging helps to improve the blood circulation in the scalp. It also evenly spreads the oils that you massage with, making the root strong and help to keep your hair hydrated. A massage with coconut oil gradually increases the chance of good, long and strong hair. Hair oils are effective for the hair growth and act as a natural conditioners as they are packed with essential vitamins that are necessary for the healthy scalp. Now tip number 3, don't wash your hair too often. When it comes to choosing the right shampoo for your hair, people go for the ones that are popular in the market or in the trend. But you should always buy a mild shampoo. Washing your hair with the shampoo very often can damage your hair and make the scalp dry. Your hair will lose moisture. It will also wash away the essential oils from the scalp that travels from roots through the hair tips. A dry and itchy scalp can be a reason for hair loss. Tip number 4, condition your hair regularly. It is important that you should condition your hair from time to time. Same as a mild shampoo. Use a mild conditioner. Applying appropriate amount of conditioner will keep your hair shiny and smooth. It will take your hair free from nuts that will not lay stress on your hair roots and will prevent hair breakage. It helps manage frizzy hair while adding shine and volume to it. Tip number 5, avoid using hair color. Hair colors are ammonia based, which is a bleaching agent and can harm your scalp and cause hair damage. It has also been seen that frequently coloring hair can increase the risk of breast cancer. Hair colors will take away the moisture of your hair, leaving them dry. Instead of chemical-based hair colors, try natural hair colors that are not harsh on your hair and the scalp. Tip number 6, protect your hair. Always protect your hair from the sun, wind and rain. Exposure to an excessive sun, heat, drought and pollution add to your already exist hair waves. This can lead to dirt build up, drying out of hair and scalp and increase susceptibility to infection on the scalp. Cover your hair with an umbrella or a hat. Tip number 7, use shampoo and conditioner from the same product. Choose a shampoo and conditioner from the same line as they have a similar formulation. These are made for a specific hair type and a specific purpose. It shows better result when you use a single line instead of two individual products. Tip number 8, don't over apply heat on the hair. Avoid using heat on your hair. Heat strips the moisture content from your hair, making it dry and frizzy. When overused, it can also burn your hair. Use iron curl straighteners only if necessary and remember to use a hair protectant before using that. Pat your hair dry. Do not rub vigorously with a towel. You might dry your hair faster, but the amount of hair that breaks and fall away also doubles up. Tip number 9, choose stain pillow covers. Sleeping on strained pillow covers is known to reduce hair breakage due to the friction. Cotton and other materials are quite rough in texture, due to which they also cause more friction against your hair. Change the pillow cover at least one time or as possible as you can in a week. Tip number 10. Oil the scalp frequently. Oil your hair as frequently as you can and use a gentle shampoo to get rid of the oil. Oiling the scalp is good for your health, but do not overdo it, as you will end up using more shampoo which strips more of the scalp's natural oils no matter how mild it is. Oil massage is the oldest remedy for extra shining and soft tresses. This is also be the best home remedy for healthy hair. You can use olive, coconut or almond oil. Warm the oil slightly and massage your scalp thoroughly. Leave it on for an hour before using an hair. You can also leave it to overnight for better conditioning. Tip number 11. Cold water is good for hair. When washing your hair, prefer warm or cold water over hot water. Cold doesn't exactly mean freezing cold. You can use water at room temperature. Hot and warm water opens up the hair cuticles and pores on the epidermis. If the water is too hot, it can damage your hair too. Use warm hair for shampooing. After you have conditioned your hair, rinse it off with cold water. Tip number 12. Don't use too many products. Avoid using too many products on your hair. While there are certain products you may need to use like shampoo, conditioner and serum, try and avoid bottled hair products as much as possible. Tip number 13. Avoid overuse of chemicals. Overuse of chemical-based shampoo and conditioners can leave the hair dull and dry. The chemicals, apart from doing no good to your health, do not good to the environment as well. Hence, it is better to use products that are naturally obtained or herbal. The last tip number 14 and not the least, combs and brushes. It is important to know what kind of combs and brushes are used to manage hair. High quality combs and brushes are suggestible over low quality products as they help massage and relax your scalp. If you have curly hair, a nylon bristle brush will help tame it. Ensure that the comb and brushes you use are clean and neat. Avoid sharing them to your friend as it increases the chances of transfer of dandruff and other skin infections. This was for today, guys. Do you like the video or not? Let me know your views about this video in the comment section below. And last, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Have a good day. Stay cool and stay sexy.